Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Joseph Novich, who's Senior Trading Analyst at GDMFX, with today's outlook, starting with the US dollar. It's seen at a high risk of falling versus the yen, and of course adding to its biggest slide in 6 months. Now, with global markets rolled to concerns that growth and inflations are slowing, the dollar is right now at 106.11 yen from yesterday's 105.92, with its drop of 1.1%, the biggest loss since August 8. The global economy faces its biggest test of confidence since the European sovereign debt crisis, and investors fear it's running out of engines. Japan and the euro area are throwing up fresh signs of weakness by the day, and emerging markets like China are dragging instead of driving growth. The worry is that 5 years since the world limped out of recession, central banks have virtually exhausted their stimulus potential, and of course all the activity keeps fading. That leaves the hopes of financial markets riding on the US to resume its historical role as a locomotive, robust enough to pull up demand elsewhere. Let's take a brief look at some of the major currency pairs today. We're looking at USD JPY right now going at 106.13, Euro USD 1.2793, GBP USD 1.5983. Australia's dollar fell on speculations. Yesterday's 1.3% advance was unwarranted. Right now, the Aussie USD 0.8758. Kiwi, little change to New Zealand USD 0.7961. The commodity sector, gold is trading near a 5-week high as U.S. economic data that missed estimates yesterday, adding to signs a global slowdown may hurt the U.S. recovery. Of course, this is boosting demand for a haven as the dollar and equities are dropping. The metal advanced with treasuries as U.S. retail sales dropped more than forecasted in September. Gold is right now at $12.38 at the moment, after surging to $12.49 in the yesterday's trading session. West Texas Intermediate extended its drop from the lowest price in more than 2 years on speculation. Rising U.S. stockpiles are, of course, making global gluts. That's driving prices into a bear market. U.S. Crude stockpiles probably increased to 364.1 million barrels in the week ended October 10, a speculation before today's report from the Energy Information Administration scheduled for 3 p.m. GMT. Also in the calendar, initial and continuing jobless claims for the U.S. and industrial production. That's all for today. Keep an eye on the economic calendar. It's a very important day today. Thank you. Bye-bye.